Today, part of our work this afternoon, we have our Valentine's Day specials out. But I also have a work job that I need everyone to finish to their personal best. In the middle, I have uppercase X, lowercase x. Now this is going to be tricky because X says X, and not all the time does he say his sound. So listen carefully. Do I hear X in yo-yo? Oh, I know the game we can play. If you hear the X, everybody put your thumbs up and say ding, 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 ding. Practice. If you don't hear the sound, say okay. Oh, wait a moment. What did I forget to do? Oh, thank you for helping me. What's most important on your work? Write your name. Now, let me see. Do I have an X in Mrs. Leger? No. Does anybody have an X in their name? If you do, please stand up. No X's this year. That's okay. Oh, I just saw an X learning moment. Look at Emery's sweater. What does the front make on it? An X. Wow, Emery. You have an X on your sweater. Okay, are you ready? Let's start this again. Ding, ding, ding. If you're here, X. If you don't. Yo-yo. You're right, so I'm going to exit out. Xylophone. Wait a moment, is that a X-ophone? But you got it right because you know that xylophone borrowed Z's sound to spell xylophone. So you may color xylophone. What about gloves? Oh, we just got a new learning moment. This is an animal. It's not a buffalo. It's not a bison. It's an ox. Ox. Do you hear it? Yay, you may color it. Oh, next one. Yogurt. Oh, exit out. Hat. Yarn. X-ray. All right, and then at the bottom, diagonal line. All letters start at the top. Then diagonal line across. All letters start at the top. So your top line, everybody put your pointer fingers up. Ready? Top line, say diagonal line down. Stop. Go back to the top. Diagonal line cross. Stop. That makes our X. Uppercase and lowercase look the same. 3 things for your work job today. I will write my name. I will color the X pictures. I will write my uppercase and lowercase X. If you can do it, say, yes, I can. Please stand up. And well, I'm going to believe my verb is going to be to hop. Let's hop to our table. Oh, hop, 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 hop.